This is a magnetic Christmas decoration, and this video I'm going to show you how to build it. Let's get started. So to get to the snowman, what you do is you go on Thingiverse and search for build a snowman. All these parts are 3D printed individually, so you can put them together. I'm going to 3D print the big ball, and then I'm going to show you how to put it all together. And this is the big ball. And this goes over it. And then we just glue that onto the big ball. But first we have to put the magnets in. See, there's these little holes in it, and I have to put a magnet in each one. I'm going to save the big ball and the big ball cap, and then I'm going to print it. So I'm in Kira, and I'm going to pick big ball and big snow cap. I'm just going to do this. Then I open them, but if this happens, it's out. So you just right click and press arrange all models. And they're all in here now. I'm going to slice it, then I'm going to save it to the memory card. Now I'm going to start the print for the big ball. After it's done heating, it's going to 3D print it. I'm going to show you how to put the magnets in here now. So what you do is you have to get the orientation right, and then you put one in here. But you don't have to film all the spaces in. But if you want more places to stick, like, you know what I mean, if you want more things to put on attachments, you can just fill them all in. Be able to fit a lot of attachments on. Sometimes you don't want to just put magnets in and put them on the other side, but if you do something where you put one here, move the magnet wherever I want by just moving this one that's connected to the outside, and then I can just put it where I want. You have to keep the magnets on the outside until you glue the ones in the inside. But this is going to take a long time, so I'm going to do the rest off camera. So, the magnets on the bottom, you're probably wondering why these are here. I might attach the snowman to a base or something like that. So one of these might be like a tail, and I'm probably going to put some rocket launchers on them, on the snowman, and see what it looks like, which is going to look pretty crazy. And I'm 3D printing some wings right now, and I'm going to use those wings to put on the sides, or I could use snowman arms, so I'm going to 3D print both. These are on the outside to the North Pole, but these are opposite, so this is the South Pole. It's because we'll already have a medium ball and a small ball, so I'm going to use the medium ball. I'm going to put it up here, and then I'm going to put the small ball right here. I'm also going to glue this shut and take all these magnets off. Now I'm going to show you how to glue the magnets. So this is super glue. And what you have to do is you have to put it all around the magnets. And all the little cracks on the magnets. So you don't have to squeeze that much. because this is super glue, so it sticks really well. So you don't need to use that much. So I'm gonna squeeze just a little bit more. And then some for this magnet. So this is activator. It makes glue dry really fast. The super glue takes 24 hours to become full, but for this, full strength, but if you put this on, it has full strength in 5 minutes. Same thing with the ball. You just put the glue all around the magnets and then spray some activator. See, when the glue is yellow, that means it's dry, so I can put my finger in and no glue gets on my finger. And now I can just take the magnets off. I tried using a glue gun also, but it came out way heavier than this one. So all I need to do is I have to put glue on the cap, all around the cap. Okay, so I'm done gluing your So I'm just holding this on for a few minutes so the glue can dry. For accessories, you put one little drop of glue into each hole. So I'm just going to put the magnet in. Then I'm going to take this one. And put the magnet in here. And I'm done. Oh, I got a little super glue on me. Don't move anything for 5 minutes until the glue dries. Hope you like putting the 3D printed snowman together. And I'm going to put a link in the description where you can buy the magnets. I'm going to 3D print more accessories over time. So if you want me to 3D print accessory, you can leave a comment on what accessory you want me to 3D print. Please like and subscribe. Merry Christmas!